Hey y'all, welcome back to Rolling with Stone. So today is going to be a video that's basically like a mini haul. So I've gotten sent a few items over the past couple months and I kind of wanted to go over them with you guys just to show you a couple of the things that I have gotten. So yeah, the first thing that is going to be some bath products. So I got these products a little while back and they are so good, you guys. I have got to share it with you. So it's basically from a company. It's a small company and the name of the company is Diva Bath Candy. Well, that's her Instagram name, Diva Bath Candy. Her company name is Buttery Diva Designs. I put all her information in the description box. And basically she has like these bath bombs. This one here is Tahitian. And so she has different like scents and stuff of the bath bombs, which are really cool. So this is actually the first time that I've used bath bombs is with these. So when you put it in the water, of course, it fizzes up and it makes your body feel so soft, almost like you have lotion on. So that's pretty cool. I liked it and it smelled amazing. She sent me like a couple different scents. And then also like some body scrubs, like a sugar scrub, like a honey, and I want to say like brown sugar. But check out her Instagram and she's going to have like a few of the, the different ones that she makes. But I really liked how it made my skin feel so smooth. When I used the body scrub, I mixed it in with my body wash. And it has like the beads in it. It's like sugar. And so it just kind of like gets that dead skin off and just leaves your skin shiny and feels so good. And they smell amazing. Like I feel like it has the perfect name. So I'll leave all that information down below in the description box. If you have any questions about that too, just leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to answer that for you. So the next couple items that I received is actually from a company called Influencer. And it's a company that I've been working with for a few years now that sends me products from all types of companies. I'm talking about from, I've received Becca products. I've received Hourglass foundations, just all kind of products for review. Burberry perfume, Ralph Lauren perfume, Kat Von D stuff. Like it's endless the stuff that I've gotten from them. I'm going to leave their information in the description box as well in case you guys want to sign up with that company to receive free products. So basically sometimes they send these boxes that have like a mixture of different products. Some is like from the actual companies like Hourglass or whatever. And some is just like a box that has several things in it. So they call this the Chic Vox box. So it comes in this box here. It's the Vox box. And I'm just going to kind of go over a couple items that came in the Vox box. So the first thing is something that I've actually used, and it's by EOS. I know everybody has heard of EOS, like the lotion and the EOS little lip balms. So this is a shaving cream that moisturizes and restores. It has mango butter, coconut oil, and shea butter. You guys, this feels so good on the skin. It's like super creamy. So of course, I sat in a tub, lathered it up, and then went to shaving from there. And it just leaves your skin feeling so soft. I don't hardly ever really use shaving cream. I have before, but I just don't really like the texture of it. Maybe I hadn't got the right one, but this one is everything. I typically use soap when I shave, but this right here is like leaves your skin feeling like lotion. Y'all have to try this, seriously. So another item that I got in the Vox box was a NYX mascara. So it's called Worth the Hype. It's a pretty good like standard size mascara. The wand is just like a typical wand. Nothing too fancy or different about it. It is creamy, goes on pretty good. It does the trick. I'm not really a huge mascara person because I always wear falsies. So I basically use mascara to blend it in with the falsies and a little bit on the bottom. But it is very black. It doesn't go on clumpy. So I'll be using this probably for at least the next couple weeks. So that is the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. Okay, the next couple items that came in the Vox box is actually some Clairol hair food. So it comes with a shampoo and conditioner, which is infused with honey and apricot. And because my hair is underneath this blue, you guys, it's bleached to almost white. So this is something that I feel like would do good for me because I need shampoos and conditioners that are really infused with a lot of oil. And when I style my hair, you guys, I use a ton of oil, only because it's bleached so light, which light hair this light, especially on African American hair, tends to be extremely dry. So I'm very excited to try this out. I will leave, after I use this stuff, I will leave my thoughts on this in the description box. So you might want to check back periodically for that if you're interested in this. And then the last product that came in here is actually by Korres. I don't know if it's called Korres or Korres, Korres. Like, you guys have heard of this. It's in Macy's. And what this is a pomegranate resurfacing mask. It's for oily to combination skin, which I have pretty much combination skin, normal to combination skin. So I feel like I could use this. So, a triple power resurfacing peeling facial. Oh, okay. So it gives you pretty much like a facial. Massage gently, leave the product on for 3 to 5 minutes, and rinse off thoroughly. You can use this 3 times a week. So it's just a mask that it's probably going to clarify the skin a little bit. And it's just a little sample size. Let me see how it smells. Has a little thing on top. Ooh, y'all, it smells amazing. My nose is a little stuffed up, but I can smell this. It smells so good. It smells like heaven. It smells like heaven. I can see little beads in it. It almost reminds you of like an oatmeal scrub or something, as far as the way it looks, but it smells amazing. So I'll probably be using this tonight because I have been wearing makeup all week and I got a ton on right now. So I'll try this. Of course, I'll leave the information, my thoughts on it in the description box, so check back for that as well. And you guys, that is pretty much it for this video. Just a short, quick little haul showing you some of the things I've gotten. I have tried out a few more things in the past couple weeks that I'm excited to do some tutorials and show you guys how I feel about those things. If you have any questions about my hair color, you guys, so if you follow me on Instagram, you know, not too long ago, I had like hot pink. And then now I have blue, blue, blue. So this right here is something that's completely different for me, you guys. But I just want to kind of just let you know about it. If you have any questions or comments, concerns about it, just go ahead and leave a comment down below and I will make a video on this for you guys, just to let you know like the products I use, how it works for me, how long it lasts. Do I get any damage from these colors, which I don't. You know, there's a safe way to do things. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't hesitate to click the like button if you enjoyed the video, want to see more videos like this from me. And until next time, thank you so much for rolling with Stone.